Good morning. Today is Thanksgiving Day morning. It is November 22nd, 2018, and I'm gonna make Tibuk kapampangan. It's called maja blanca in Tagalog. So here are the ingredients. 1 cup cornstarch, 1 can evaporated milk, 1 can coconut milk, 2 cups fresh milk, 1 cup water. I use the coconut milk can. I just fill it up. 1.5 cup of sugar, the white one. And here it is. I put it all in the container here, so the cornstarch will melt with all the liquid. And this is the coconut milk, because it's kind of frozen, so I have to put it here, warm it up so it will melt it. And here's the pan. Already put the coconut oil that I made the other day, the latik, so it will be ready. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm stirring the liquid. That way the cornstarch powder, I don't know how to say in English, but anyway, para malasoy itong cornstarch, eh maging clumpy king. Potang iluto keng makanya. So what I'm trying to say is, I have to stir it so the cornstarch won't be clumpy when I put it in there, because the tibok has to be smooth. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it here. I'm using my other hand for my camera, so I have to be careful. So like that. See how clean the bowl is? There is no more powder. So do it like that. And you stir it like this. Keep on stirring it until it becomes paste. So now I'm gonna little bit turn up the heat, like medium low, because you don't want to cook it too fast. Okay, you guys, as you can see, I keep on stirring it. It's starting to set. The cornstarch is starting to set now. Starting to see. So what you do is you keep on stirring it. If you want it like a smooth maja blanca, it's like making a paste. So keep on stirring it. Don't stop stirring it until it's cooked. Okay. Okay, guys. As you can see, it's bubbling now. See? So it's almost done. Okay, maybe 1 more minute, and then I'm gonna transfer it to that container. So I'll just keep on stirring it. I want it smooth. This is now. Is it ready? Okay, guys, I think this is now finished. My husband is the one that taking the video. So okay, we're gonna transfer it to this pan. So it's hot, so I have to be careful. Okay, so now what I have to do is I gotta smooth it. Just like this. So now it's done. Okay, guys, this is the final step. I just brush it with the coconut oil gently, because it's still a little bit warm. And then I'm gonna put some of this latik. While it's hot, I want to put this latik because the flavor will go with the tibok. So I'm just gonna use my hand because it's easier. Anyway, that's what we do it in the barrio, in the jungle. So I'm just putting it like this. This is the latik that I made the other day. That was yesterday, I think. Okay guys, this tibok-tibok is kapampangan style, just like this. Okay, I hope you enjoy watching my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.